We're coming down at the start of this little 2-kilometer walk along the top of the gorge, and this is the first look at the first waterfall. Ebor Falls has this one here, which is a smaller double cascade, and then down a bit further a much longer, a much higher waterfall. And you'll see later in the video at one of the lookouts, we'll look back and see the both falls together. It looks absolutely stunning. And here we go. Absolutely beautiful looking waterfall. That one there's the double waterfall, and then it goes down along here, and then it actually goes over a much taller, higher waterfall. And we'll just continue on down here along this little walkway. We'll come up a bit closer to this waterfall. There's a fair bit of water flowing over at the moment too. It's been raining the last couple of days, so it's probably a really amazing time to come and check it all out. Look at that. Wow. So here we are still at the falls. I'm walking along a little walking track here. This is pretty cool. It says track belonging to the Eagles, and I can understand why, because we're up really high here. You can see the misty mountains ahead of me. So I have no idea where this track's taking me, but I'm assuming it's taking me down further here to look at the next lot of waterfall, because these Ebor waterfalls are multiple falls, so it falls down a few sections, and it looks like there's a really giant fall over to my right. I can't get a good view of it yet, but let's keep walking along this path, and I'm assuming it will take me to a point I can see. Really beautiful morning. It's still sort of showery. Looks pretty. The cliffs over there are just spectacular. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's beautiful. So we'll continue on here. Looks like the fences had a bit of an issue with a falling tree. So let's keep going. So this looks like there's a concrete path all the way around the falls. So actually it'd be really good if, you know, for disabled people, wheelchairs, it comes straight from the car park. So it's really pretty up here. You can probably hear all the birds squawking in the background. It's a beautiful morning. The birds are singing. Hopefully it's not going to rain on me anymore today. Yeah, we're up really high here. It's absolutely stunning. And I don't know if the camera picks this up. There's a massive gorge down there and there's cascades of water and waterfalls everywhere. And I'm pretty sure you're hearing the waterfall that's just over from me. Absolutely beautiful. So if you're in the neighbourhood down this way, down near Ballingen, Coffs Harbour area, or if you're in Armidale, you should take a drive along Waterfall Way, because there's much to see, lots of natural landscape beauty. Beautiful rock cliffs here with moss all over them. Check that out. And now I'm just starting to see on my right the waterfall. There is a lookout up a bit further to look back to it. And while I'm here, we'll check out the beautiful plants. And you may be able to see through the trees here the waterfall over there.
This is the second waterfall.
And looks like we're coming up to the lookout area to view back to the second waterfall. But we'll just come up to this sign first. The Ebor Shield volcano. So the first waterfall that I showed you, as it says here, the top falls are 27 meters high and the lower falls are 63 meters high. So let's just go back, and here is the spectacular waterfall. Wow. So let's continue on this little walkway. I think this little concrete path is the loop I read about, and if it is the case, I think the loop is, or the track is, about 2 kilometers. So all up, to get back to the car, it'd probably be close to 4.5 kilometer walk. And as I said, it's a beautiful concrete path, as you can see. So if you're, disabled, got a wheelchair or something, you could whiz along here and it'd be a wonderful outing. So you couldn't ask for a better track than this. Coming up to my wife. Say hi, Malinka.
Hi.
don't know if you can see back through the trees here. The waterfall crashing down below, over from us. We'll keep walking. There's the big second fall in the distance again. Another perspective of it. And looks like we're coming to the end of the path. It comes down here to a picnic area. I think there's a road actually drives into this section as well, so it's pretty well developed, this whole little area here next to Ebor Falls. Yes, it looks like there's a car park there, so that's pretty cool. And we got another lookout down the end here, so we'll go down there and check it all out. This whole area looks like it's just recently been developed. There's barbecues here. Everything looks brand new, so it must have just been built not so long ago. And here we go, coming up to our last little lookout. Which will give us a good view of the second waterfall. Oh, it gives us a view of both waterfalls. Absolutely stunning. Wow. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but it's just absolutely stunning. Beautiful.